Hey everybody, and welcome to Woodcrest Bonsai. I just wanted to show you that the giant air layer of that Brazilian rain tree that I took is already sprouting. You can see the brand new growth right there. There's some more up here, as you can see. There's some more, I can't reach that far, up there. And then if we come this way, there's some more here. Some more up there. I hope you can see this stuff. But I'm super happy. So it very definitely will go back to this stuff here. Of course, we've got the sunlight. But yeah, it's sprouted beautifully. So I'll probably take 2 or 3 air layers from this guy and create a couple different trees. I love the way the trunk moves here, this trunk, the way it comes down and all the fissures. I'm probably going to air lay it probably somewhere in here and then have the tree come up, and then the way it curves and twists. But it's certainly alive, and I think it's going to grow and recover just fine. And it'll probably be at least another year before I really do anything with an air layer again next year. But just wanted to show you that. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment if you'd like, and I will see you in the next video.